Hello coders, welcome to this video in which we will talk about Newton School assignment loop section. Already 3 section is covered. You will get the link of this videos in YouTube video description and in end screen in playlist as well. You can check it out. So today I will discuss the last loops in class in which there is 4 questions and I will discuss any one of them in this video. So loading. Why it is taking too much time today? Oh, I think net is slow, maybe. Yeah, sorry for delay. So the first question is palindrome number Python. Okay, so for this specific problem we have to go with Python as well. Okay, loops in class palindrome number Python, we have to write the code in Python language. Okay, got it. Problem statement is given a number n and we need to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. A number is said to be palindrome when it reads the same from the backward and the forward as well. Got it. So it is a functional problem, so we don't worry about taking the user input. So just skip that, just complete the palindrome function. We need to return true if the number is palindrome true, then we have to return true. If the number is not palindrome, then we have to return false. So 5 true, 1 to 1 simple input 2, because if we will reverse the same, then we will get 1 to 1. 5 will reverse then 5 itself. Okay, so this is a simple solution. I will provide the this solution code in drive link. You will get and check it out. Okay, so if you want another Newton School assignment solution, then must check out my YouTube playlist where JavaScript, React based assignment solution, different WDF based assignment solution, all the solution I will provide later or sooner in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning. Bye bye. Take care.